We will import a video, and then slow it down on a specific time, in a specific rate. First, open up Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018, and create a new project. Right-click the project pane, and select Import in order to import your video. Right-click your video, and select New Sequence from Clip. On the editing area, right-click your video track, and select Show Clip Keyframes, Time Remapping, Speed. Scroll this circle up in order to reveal the Add Keyframe option. Move the playhead to the time you want the slow motion effect to start, and click on Add Keyframe. Move the playhead to the time you want the slow motion effect to end, and click Add Keyframe again. Click and drag the blue area up and down, in order to determine the speed of the slow motion effect. The more you decrease its speed, the longer the video length will be. Let's watch the results.
Speed on the runway, it's over. Got a little sideways, but
All done. Please subscribe.